Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well and eating good, because you know that's how we do. This is a bit of a different setup because usually I'm like not in front of the camera. Well, I've been trying to be recently, but anyway, today I'm gonna be filming my what I eat in a day video. Yay! I'm gonna try to put a yay. Do you know what, it's actually been requested, so people have really been asking me, and I've kind of been wanting to do it, but the other thing is I don't really know whether I'm qualified to, because I don't actually eat consistently every day. I also do intermittent fasting, and however I do have a few things here and there that I do like to, you know, keep consistent, you know, keep it cute or whatever. Yeah, today I'm doing that because this week I did go to the farmer's market. I brought some lovely fruit and veg, and I'm just like, girl, let's do what I eat in a day because you've eaten it in the day. But yeah, I'm weird, I'm crazy. It's hot as hell outside, people are losing it, and so am I. So excuse the spot, excuse the bags. I do have something on, but I'm just hot. It is hot, while trying not to melt. We're gonna see if this is something I could try to do a bit more often. I hope you guys like the new hairdo. It was my graduation. I graduated, which was cool. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking about me because I want to make this video not too long. One of my followers said, make sure it's realistic because people be saying they eat quail eggs and shit every day. And I found that so funny. So I am gonna be realistic. I do not eat this every day. I mean it today. Let's go. Okay guys, so first thing I do is squeeze some fresh grapefruit into a jug. Sometimes I do lemon juice, it depends on my mood, but I've really been feeling grapefruit lately. And then I put it into a glass bottle that I can just carry around with me by filling up with water, and it tastes so good. Like, you wouldn't even realize that this has no sugar, no anything in it. I also have a peach and 2 apples, and that's kind of my breakfast. I do eat that around 4, so I get a bit hungry and have a light snack of crisp bread. It's just like those bread fingers, I guess, and I have it with Prozzies, peanut butter, cinnamon crunch. You guys definitely need to get that. Use my 10% discount code down below. Delicious. I did find that those crackers were kind of dry. They were made of oat and chia. I did get them from Aldi, but I wasn't really feeling it. I was loving the peanut butter, but not the cracker. So for lunch I was craving some hummus, open sandwich type situation, so I just made some hummus. I do have a recipe on my channel already, link will be down below. And then I spread the hummus on some toast, some multi-grain toast. I love this combination, like it's my go-to. And then to pump it up even more, because I had some more room, I did scramble some eggs with red onion. I absolutely love this combo. I love onions in everything, to be honest. If you want a recipe for this, give me a thumbs up and maybe I'll do one. And then I topped it with some sweet peppers just to give it some crunch, and then some pickles on the other one. I actually only ate the sweet pepper one because I was really full, but it was so good. I had some cherries that I got from the farmer's market, so sweet and delicious. And then for dinner I was experimenting with this protein cheese that Eat Lean sent me, and came up with this cashew creamy pasta. And then, you know, if you want the recipe for this, please give it a thumbs up. I also topped it with some crunchy mushroom stuffing mix. So yeah, I think you guys will like this recipe. So this is what I eat in a day. Really simple, really quick. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Bye.